Here with my family. We're in Moreno Valley celebrating the 250th American anniversary birthday celebration, 4th of July. This is my daughter's second outfit. She had another outfit earlier. This is her Hello Kitty 4th of July dress. I did her bubble braids, patriotic braids, her glow sticks. Try to make it nostalgic. I'm even wearing my glow sticks too, and my Dr. Pepper, and I brought her bubble wand from the 70th, but did not bring a screwdriver. I have the extra batteries. That's what I got sad about, but right now we're just waiting for the fireworks to come. We're seeing where they will come, which direction they will come. I'm not sure what park we're at. This is the first time we came here. We don't really come in Moreno Valley a lot, but this is new. We usually do our tradition in Jurupa Valley, but this is a new one. This is my daughter's little get-together look. It's really cute. It's giving you some patriotic vibes. I love it. Giving you nostalgic vibes with her look. I love it. This is just a cute outfit.
I'm gonna gotta go get my wallet real quick, so stay with me.
Okay. Tweety Bird ice cream popsicle on 4th of July. Disneyland. We're watching the fireworks show together right now as a family.
Marco, baby.